Hello Stellar friends, it's Amber here, and today we are going to be learning to play Massachusetts by the Bee Gees. And I just have to say, this song is a gem for beginners. If you're looking for a song that sounds impressive but is actually very approachable, you are going to love this one. We've got easy open chords and of course our favorite go-to beginner strumming pattern that works with so many songs. So make sure your guitar is tuned up and let's get going. So to kick off the lesson, let's take a look at the 4 easy open chords we're going to need for the song. The first chord we need is a G major chord. We're also going to need a C major chord. Our third chord we need is an A minor, and for this all we need to do is move our ring finger and create that A minor chord by placing it into the 2nd fret on the G string. And last but not least, we need a D7 chord. And if you're not familiar with 7th chords, maybe you are just starting out and you're just trying to manage the regular open chords like a regular D major, then of course you can play this in its place. So either D or D7 will work beautifully in the song. So what we're going to be doing is taking a look at the verse. So those chords are going to be up on the screen. And we have a G major, followed by A minor, to our C major, and then we have G major, repeated again. So the chords that are standing alone, they are going to have 4 counts each. So those are going to be all the G majors. Now when you have the chords between brackets, that's our A minor and our C major, it's a little bit like mathematics. 2 plus 2 are going to equal those 4 counts. So A minor will get 2 beats and the C major will get the other 2 beats. So what we're going to do now is just play through those chords with down strums, and each down strum is going to count for 1 beat. So G is going to get 4 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor will get 2. C will get 2. And then we have G. 2, 3, 4, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do it one more time because the verse repeats that chord sequence twice. So here we go. And G. 2, 3, 4, A minor for 2 strums. C for 2 strums. And then G. 2, 3, 4, and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great stuff. So hopefully you have got those chords under your fingers and you're getting a good feel for the rhythm and how many counts each of those chords are going to need. So the next thing we're going to be looking at is a strumming pattern. And like I mentioned in the beginning, our strumming pattern is our favorite go-to pattern, and it's going to sound like this: down, down, up, down, up, which we count 1, 2, and 4, and. So the chords which are standing alone, that's our G major, they're going to get 1 full round of that pattern. So our G, down, down, up, down, up. Really straightforward. And when we get to the chords between brackets, remember we said that each of those chords are worth 2 counts each. So they're going to get the strumming pattern down, down, up, because we count that 1, 2, and. So there's our 2 beats, and we repeat that again. 1, 2, and. So in succession, from the A minor to C, down, down, up, down, down, up. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Before we move back to our G chord with our down, down, up, down, up strumming pattern. So let's put the whole thing together in the verse. Here we go, starting on the G. A 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, C, G, G. Repeat from the beginning. G, A minor, C, G, and repeat. And And we're going to do it one more time and I'll add some singing. So here we go. 1, 2. Feel I'm going back to Massachusetts. Repeat. Something's telling me I must go home. So there we go. That is how we play every single verse in the song. And it's going to lead us really nicely into looking at the chords for our chorus. So that is going to be flashed up for you on the screen. And we have 2 rounds of our G major chord, 2 rounds of a C major. We then have G to our D7 chord. And we repeat that again, G to our D7. Now the great news here is that we don't see any brackets, so we can play a full strumming pattern on every single chord. Just a reminder, our strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. So every chord in the chorus is going to receive 1 round of that pattern. So let's give that a try. Starting on our G, a 1, 2, 3, 4. G. Repeats. To the C chord. Repeats. G, D7's next, back to the G, and D7. And we're going to add some singing. Back to our G chord. Here we go. 1, 2. And the lights all went out in Massachusetts. They brought me back to see my way with you. And by the way, if you are enjoying learning songs like this and you're looking for a structured step-by-step program to help you with learning chords, strumming, as well as how to transition between one chord to the next, I have the perfect solution for you. It is my Guitar for Beginners course, linked below, so you can go check it out in your own time, and I hope to welcome you into my program very soon. So this lesson has been really short and sweet. We only really had 2 sections to learn, which was our verse and our chorus. And what we're going to be doing next is a full playthrough of the song, so have your guitar ready and I'll see you there. So let's get ready on that G major chord, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel I'm going back to Massachusetts. Something's telling me I must go home. And the lights all went out in Massachusetts the day I left her standing on her own. Tried to hitch a ride to San Francisco. Gotta do the things I wanna do. And the lights all went out in Massachusetts. They brought me back to see my way with you. Talk about the life in Massachusetts. Speak about the people I have seen. And the lights all went out in Massachusetts. And Massachusetts is one place I have seen. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for hanging out with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.